Dartschill presents volume and surface area. Volume is the amount of space inside a three-dimensional shape. Surface area is the sum total of areas of all surfaces that cover a three-dimensional shape. Let's study a rectangular prism, which is nothing but a box. Let's say the prism has a length L, which means the length of this edge on the prism is L, and it's the same length as this edge, as well as this and this. They're all equal to L in length. Let's also say the width of this prism is W, which means the length of this edge is W, and so is this, and this, and this. And let's say the height of this prism or the box is H, which means this length is H, and so is this, and this, and this. The volume of such a prism is given as the product of its length, width, and height. And the surface area is equal to the sum total of all the areas of the rectangles that we see. There are 6 rectangles in all, one at the front, one at the back, and they have an area of L times H each. So we have 2 times L times H for the one at the front and the one in the back. Then there are 2 rectangles on the 2 sides. Each one is a W and a H. So we have plus 2 times W times H. And finally, there's one at the top and there's one at the bottom. Each one is L times W. So we have 2 times L times W. And this simplifies to, you can take the 2 out as a common factor, 2 times L times H plus L times W plus W times H. That's how you find the surface area. And this is what we call a rectangular prism. A cube is a special type of a rectangular prism in which all the rectangles are squares, which means the length, the width, and the height of a cube are all the same. So if we name the length as S, the width is also S, and so is the height. So if we apply the volume formula, the volume is equal to S times S times S, which is written as S raised to the 3rd power, also called S cubed. Similarly, the surface area is equal to 2 times L times H. This is S, this is S. So we have S times S plus S times S again plus S times S again, which is equal to 2 times S times S can be written as S raised to the 2nd power, or S squared, and we have 3 of them, so we have 3S squared. 2 times 3 is 6, so this is equal to 6S squared, where S is the length of each side on the cube. So to find the volume of a rectangular prism, that's 10 centimeters on one side, 2 centimeters on the other side, and another 2 centimeters on the 3rd side, we would do volume is equal to 10 centimeters times 2 centimeters times 2 centimeters, which is equal to 40 10 times 2 times 2 is 40. Centimeters times centimeters times centimeters is centimeters raised to the third power, or cubic centimeters are centimeters cubed. Similarly, the surface area of this box is going to be 2 times, we have 10 and 2, 10 centimeters times 2 centimeters plus 2 and 2, 2 centimeters times 2 centimeters plus 10 and 2, 10 centimeters times 2 centimeters. So this is equal to 2 times 10 times 2 is 20. 20 centimeters times centimeters is square centimeters or centimeter square, plus 2 times 2 is 4 centimeter square, plus 10 times 2 is 20 again, centimeter square. So this is equal to 2 times 20 plus 4 is 24, plus 20 is 44. So we have 44 square centimeters multiplied with 2, which is equal to 88 square centimeters.